Hello friends, so last lectures we discussed about the process costings and we solved the number of sums related to the process costing. In that we discussed about the abnormal gain, abnormal loss and normal loss, and what kinds of treatments in our their ledger account, that also we discussed in our last lectures. Now friends, today we are going to learn one of the major module, that is cost control accounts, and it is very fruitful module. You will easily get maximum marks. Sometime college paper setter will ask the question on practical problem for 20 marks. Some short note will come for 5 marks, and they can ask the 4 to 5 objective questions on these pillar chapters. So let us discuss about the one of the interesting chapter, that is cost control accounts. So our chapter name is cost control accounts. Now it is a non-integrated accounting system. Now, friends, whenever we will talk about the accounting books, now there are two types of accounting books in our uh, company accounts. Whenever we will talk about the accounting books, there are two types of accounting books. That is cost book, and financial book. Cost book and financial book. Generally, financial books are prepared by chartered accountant, and cost book prepared by cost accountant. Now, whenever we will talk about the financial books, so in that financial books, we will prepare journal entries, we will pass the journal entries, and after passing the journal entries, we will postate the journal entry into the relevant ledgers, and we will prepare on the basis of ledgers closing balances transferred to trial balance accounts. On that basis, we will prepare financial statements. You know about the financial statements, and these financial statements are useful for us. And what kind of financial statements are there? Trading account, profit and loss account, and balance sheet and cash flow statements. If you see that any particular companies, they issue annual reports. Under the annual report, they will disclose financial statements. It includes trading account, profit and loss account, balance sheet, and cash flow statements. These kinds of accounts, it is called as the financial account books, and it is prepared by chartered accountant. Now in the company, cost books also prepared by cost accountant. And why they are preparing this cost book, why it is necessary in the company to prepare the cost book? It is essential for ascertainment of the cost. Ascertainment of the cost, that it means they want to find out the cost of the product. Unless and until if you don't know the cost, the how can you decide the selling price? So selling price based on the cost. Again, we have to find out the cost control. We have to maintain the control on cost. Well, for that purpose, we will prepare cost books. And sometime we have to estimate our profit. Profit estimation is the one of the important things, and therefore we will do the cost book accounting. Sometime we should know about the cost reduction, and for that purpose we prepare cost books. And sometime we want to fix the selling price, and on for that purpose we will prepare cost book. So here cost accountant and chart accountant, their role is prepare their books. Cost book prepared by the cost accountant, financial book prepared by the chart accountant. Now if you see that in financial statement, once we prepare, तुझं काय काम होतं ना लास्ट टाइम आपण नक्की लास्ट टाइम आपण काय बोललो होतो मला लिस्ट तुम्हाला आहे असेल तर लिस्ट थँक्यू सर. Excuse me. Here we will prepare these kinds of books of records. Now what happened? Company told the cost accountant, you should also prepare the financial statement, but cost accountant is not no, we can say that he is not interested to do the financial statements. Generally financial statement prepare by using the double entry system. These general entries and ledgers, they are posting the uh, entries in two ledgers. One is debited, another one is credited, and double entry system is maintained in the financial books. Cost book, they will not maintain double entry system. Now friends, this type of separate books they prepare, cost book prepare, financial book prepare, when both the books are maintained separately, when both the books are maintained separately in the organization, then we can say that it is a non-integrated system. Why it is called non-integrated? Because cost book and financial books prepare separately. If they prepare separately in the organization, the such system is called, such accounting system is called non-integrated system. Now friends, whenever we will talk about the non-integrated system, we earn cost based accounting and we earn the certain amount of profit. So it is profit is called as a profit as per the cost book, and if the we earn the profit, we calculate the profit as per the financial book, the profit as per the financial books. Now friends, the problem is that here cost book profit and financial book profit is not similar, is some difference will occur. So whatever difference is there on cost profit and financial profit, and for that purpose we set the reconciliation, we prepare the reconciliation. Now reconciliation we will prepare, and we have to adjust this cost profit and financial profit, we will tally. So these are particular things are there that you should know about, and both the books are prepared separately. It is called as a non-integrated system. Integrated means together, non-integrated means separate. The system in our company, non-integrated system. Now here, whenever we will talk about the non-integrated system, we our cost accountant, they will do the computation, they will do the computation. Now friends, you already studied cost sheet in semester 5. You have seen the cost sheet. you you already studied about the how to calculate the cost sheet. Cost sheet we will prepare to find out the cost per unit and total number of production we will easily get by preparing the cost sheet. So whenever we will talk about the preparation of the cost sheet, so what type of elements are there? So we will discuss first elements of the cost sheets. So statement of cost. Once we prepare the statement of the cost, so what kinds of elements are there? The first element is direct material. Second one is direct wages. If you added direct material with direct wages, you will get prime cost. After getting prime cost, this will be we will added. This will be added, and we will get the prime cost. After getting prime cost, we will added here factory overheads. Factory overheads once we added, we will get factory cost. It is also known as works cost. It is also called as works cost. Now, when after getting the work cost or factory cost, we will add office and administrative overheads. After adding this office and administrative overheads, whatever amount come, it is considered as a cost of production. After getting the cost of production, we will add opening stock of finished goods, and we will deducted closing stock of finished goods. After adding opening stock and deducting the closing stock, we will get cost of goods sold. After getting cost of goods sold, we will add selling and distribution overheads. After adding the selling and distribution overhead, whatever amount come, it is considered as the cost of sales or total cost. After getting this total cost, we added profit, and after adding the profit, we will get sales value or selling price. So friends, you already studied such kinds of cost sheets, and this is a format of the cost sheet. In that, how we will record the our overheads. Overhead means expenses. Now direct material add direct wages is equal to prime cost. Add factory overheads. Those expenses related to the factory we should add it here. Then office and administrative expenses, those expenses related to the office and administration we will add it. Then we will get the cost of production. After getting cost of production, finished goods opening and closing deducted, we will get the cost of goods sold. And selling and distribution overheads, expenses related to the sales, expenses related to the distribution, that we should add it, and we will get the cost of sales or total cost. After getting, we will add it the profit, and whatever amount will come, this will be the sales. This is a competition accountant prepare by preparing statements. Now these are statement accountant show to their company. Company board of directors, they want some general entries, some debit and credit, and cost accountant is not interested to do such kinds of debit and credit. He says that we prepare only statements, vertical statements, but this board of directors and the company authority says that you should prepare ledgers. You should prepare the general entries. So how we can prepare the ledgers and general entries? This is a big question to the accountant. Now, how we will manage this? Therefore, he says that it means cost accountant says that to the company, we will prepare the accounts forms. We will prepare the accounts forms, and it just we will prepare only all the ledgers and the general entries which are related to the nominal account only. Only nominal account general entries we will prepare. They says that they will prepare only nominal account. They will prepare only nominal account. Now friends, nominal account. But the nominal account means what? All ledgers related to the nominal account that they will prepare. Nominal account means debit all expenses and losses and credit all incomes and gains. So all ledgers, nominal account ledgers, they will prepare. They don't want to prepare, they don't want to maintain personal account and real account. The cost accountant says that I will prepare only nominal account ledgers. I will not prepare personal account and real account. Personal account rule, debit the receiver, credit the giver. And real account rule, debit what comes in, credit what goes out. So these kinds of accounts, they are not willing to maintain. They says that we will prepare only nominal account. So whenever they will prepare the nominal account and they are not maintain the personal and real account, they will prepare their own cost control accounts. How they prepare, that we are going to learn. Now they want to convert this cost sheet statement into the ledger accounts. They will change the name. Now direct material, whenever we have to produce the goods, any kind of product, we require direct material. The direct material is, they will prepare the ledger, and this ledger is called as a store ledger control account. Direct material, whenever they will convert it into the ledgers, they says that it is a store ledger control account. Direct wages, direct labor or direct wages, the wages which are related to the production activities, such wages also we will change the form and we will put their wages ledger control accounts in our cost control accounting system. Then this is that we will change the factory overheads, and factory overheads ledger, we can say that it is a factory overheads ledger control account. They will change the work cost or factory cost, and they will put their work in progress ledger control account. They will change the office and administrative overhead also. Office and administrative overhead, they will call office and administrative overhead ledger control account. Then after that, they will not prepare any opening stock finished good, closing stock finished goods. They directly prepare cost of goods sold. They will directly prepare the cost of goods sold. Now cost of goods sold, they will prepare how, what they will write there, what ledger they will prepare. It is a finished goods ledger control account. It is a finished goods ledger control account. Then selling and distribution overheads ledger, they will convert it into selling and distribution overhead ledger control account. They will convert it into selling and distribution overhead ledger control account. These are the certain changes are there that we should accept. Cost of sale and cost of total cost, we can say that it is a cost of sale account. It is a cost of sale account. Profit in the cost sheet, that this particular profit, we can say that it is a costing profit and loss account. It is considered as a costing profit and loss account, and whatever sales are there, it will be put under general ledger adjustment account. So friends, if you see that in this particular cost sheets, whenever they will prepare in the general entries and ledgers, they will change the name direct material called store ledger control account, direct wages is called wages ledger control account, factory overheads are called factory overhead ledger control account, work cost or factory cost is called work in progress ledger control account, office and administrative overheads are called office and administrative overhead ledger control account, and cost of goods are called finished goods ledger control account. Selling and distribution overhead is called selling and distribution overhead ledger control account. Cost of sale or total cost is called cost of sale account, and profit is called costing profit and loss account, and sales is called general ledger adjustment account. So these are the certain terminologies they change under cost control account, because they want to maintain the ledgers and general entries just like a financial accounting. But accountant says that I will prepare only nominal account. I will not maintain personal and real account. So that you should understand. So here, whenever we will talk about the account forms in the general and ledgers, how they converted, that we will study. So see that what kinds of ledgers will cover in the cost sheet, and it is converted into cost control account. So friends, I hope you understood this. These are the things. Okay, bye. Thank you.